Good day everyone, good day sir. I am the reporter number 4 and I'll be discussing my answer to the problem number 4. When Jose weighed his balikbayan box, his weight was 34 kilograms. When he got to the airport, he found out that the airplane charged 25 pesos for each pound in excess of the free baggage allowance of 50 pounds. How much will Jose pay for the excess weight? So, ang gagawin muna natin ay i-convert muna natin into pounds of 34 kilograms. Para ma-convert siya, divide by 0.4536 and that will become 74.96 pounds. So para makuha ang excess, i-minus siya sa free baggage allowance na 50 pounds. At ang excess ay 24.96. Yun yung excess. And multiply by 25 pesos. And the answer is 624 pesos. Ayun po yung excess na babayaran.